cuties, it's that Jess here, and today I'm filming probably the most exciting video I am ever going to film, and that is because today I will be unboxing the 2021 Pokemon Center Lucky Box. Yay! This is generally something I never thought I'd be able to get my hands on, as I live here in the UK and these are in Japan and they're really difficult to get even if you are in Japan, as it's all now done by a lottery system. So I'm really excited to be unboxing this today. Now if you're wondering what a lucky bag or box or a Fukubukuro is, in Japan on the first day of the year, shops and places will put together these mystery bags of lots of goodies and people go and buy them. They can be old stock, they can be just random items, and what you pay for these bags is only a fraction of the price of what the worth actually is from everything inside the box. So they're very exciting, and who doesn't love a little bit of mystery when they're buying something? So this year the Pokemon Center done a box. Most of the time it is a bag, and with the Pokemon Center everything is a complete mystery except for one item which is completely exclusive to the lucky bag slash box. It changes every year. This year it is a blanket, which is very exciting because I love blankets. So you can get either a Yampa, Score Bunny or Pikachu blanket. I'll put a picture up here, and I'm really hoping for Yampa because he's really cute. He's one of my favourite Gen 8 Pokemon, and I don't actually have any merch of him yet. Now I was able to get this lucky box through YY Kawaii. Now I've spoken about YY Kawaii before. They are amazing. If you don't know who YY Kawaii are, they're basically like a pickup service for bits in Japan. But the difference is they're located here in the UK, so you don't risk any of the custom fees or the really confusing shipping services to get items from Japan to here. So you can either look at stuff on their Instagram and you can do pre-orders or even ready to ship items, or they do have a website, which if you do purchase through the website you can use the code YYJess10. I will leave everything down in the description below, as well as some of my favourite pics from the website. Definitely go check them out if you're looking for some Sanrio or Pokemon or just any kawaii goods. They are amazing and I use them for pretty much everything. Yay! So this is the 2021 Pokemon Center Lucky Box, which I'm really excited about. First item, I'll try and find the blanket first. Who is it? Is this it? Okay, so we got the Yampa blanket, which I'm so insanely excited about because this is the one I really wanted. I'm not normally lucky with mystery items, so I'm really happy I got him. So this is the exclusive item for the Pokemon Center Lucky Bags this year. So it's a little tiny lap blanket. I'm not going to undo it because I don't think I'm going to be able to redo it. But you'll definitely see it over on my Instagram. And it's got this like little Yampa plushie, and it's kind of like buttoned to it, so it keeps it held together. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm kind of going to close my eyes and pick out something. Right. A Galarian Ponyta. This is an amazing box. Galarian Ponyta is one of my favourite Pokemon because just look at her. She is just one of the most prettiest Pokemon ever. So it's quite a large plush, really. It's super big actually, and it's like this really soft, like pillowy, plushy, like mochi material that they use a lot for their plushies to make them really soft and squishy and huggable. Some of the items I think are wrapped up together to make sure that it got posted really well by YY Kawaii. So first off we have, oh, this must be like a mystery box or something. It looks like a surprise mystery box. This is the back. I don't really recognise any of these things, but we'll open it up and see. Also, it's a pin badge. So this is a pin badge. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's Gen 8 related, so it's from Sword and Shield, but I'm not quite sure which one it is. I will have a little bit of a Google later. Next we have got, oh, this looks like it might be a pencil case or a pouch or something. I think I might have found where the prices are. If they're the little things in the boxes, then this was 1,320 yen. If so, this one would be 550 yen. Ponyta would have been 2,200 yen. I think think that might be correct. But this is a little like pencil case pouch thing. Some really cute Pokemon on it. I'm really happy with that. The colours are super pretty. This looks like a spring summer type one. This is the collection it's from. I tried saying the name but I've absolutely butchered it, but it looks like a really sweet collection that the Pokemon Center done. Oh, this one's kind of heavy. Oh, it looks like a little bento box. This one would have been 1,980 yen. So this looks like it's from the Flowers in Bloom collection. So you got this really cute Pikachu design and the most beautiful blue colour actually. It's really pretty. Then if you open it up, yeah, so it looks like it is a little bento box, which I'm really happy with because I don't own a bento box at all, which I think might be quite shocking to some of you, but I generally don't own one. I actually loved it. I think this is really cute. It's really sturdy as well. Good on you, Pokemon Center, for keeping everyone's lunches safe. Yeah. So the next item we've got, oh, it looks like a stationery set, which I'm always a fan of. So this has got like different like memo pads and stuff, which is really sweet, and this is from the contents of a trainer bag collection. So it's really sweet, and then on the back you've got 6 different designs, which, oh no, 8 different designs, which are really cute, and I love my stationery, so I'm really happy with that. And this was 550 yen. Oh, we've got like another mystery box thing, and this one sounds like it's a key ring this time. Oh, they look like some really cute designs actually. So here are the designs that you can get. I of course want the pink one because that's really cute. Let's see. Oh, okay, so we got the yellow one. That's fine, that's cute. So we got the electric keychain. It's really cute actually. I'm looking forward to putting that on my bag or on my set of keys. That's really sweet. And that was 550 yen as well. Next item. Oh, it's a plushie. Oh, we got a few plushies here. So first we got Piplup, and I absolutely adore Piplup. He is one of my favourite starters. I think he's really sweet. He might actually be able to go onto my Pokemon shelf. But he's just really cute. This might be from the Fit collection, but he was 1,650 yen. I love him, he's really cute. I want him sat on my shoulder. And then the next plush we got, it's an Eevee. Oh, okay, Japan, your labels are massive. I like to keep the labels on my plushies. I really do not like taking them off, but this might take my eye. I have this Eevee, which I got from the Pokemon Center London pop-up in 2019, and this is just like a running Eevee. It looks like they're from the same collection, so that's really cute. I'm really happy. They can sit next to each other chilling. So it was 1,320 yen. Ooh, this is really exciting. I'm like a child. I am genuinely a child. This feels like another plushie. Oh, we got a few here. Ooh, first one. Ooh. So I believe this is Corviknight. Please correct me if I'm wrong, please, because I can't remember. But it's another really good, sturdy, well-made plush. Pokemon Center plushies are an insane level of quality. They are so good and just really soft. So this is another just amazing plushie, and this would have cost 2,200 yen. So it's a bit of a pricier plushie actually. Same amount as the Ponyta, I believe. He is funky, he looks angry, which is totally not my vibe, but still really funky. So we've got another starter, and this time it is Mudkip, who is another insanely cute Pokemon starter. Another really well made plushie. I think these are from the Fit collections, but I really can't remember. Pokemon Center has so many collections all the time. Okay, this one's got 2 numbers. It's got 1,620 and 1,650. I'm not sure, but he's really sweet and he will go on my shelf as well. Oh, we got some more plushies. Guys, I'm running out of room. I'm really running out of room for plushies. Right, so this feels like a key ring. Oh, we got an Eevee one. This is from the, is it Pokemon Cafe? I can't remember what the collection is called, but I'm quite excited to have a plushie key ring. So you got a little tiny Eevee in like a red hat, red scarf. Really sweet. I'm in love with the key rings because they are just a lot easier to display or use than a normal plushie. So this will probably go onto a bag of some sort because it's really sweet and I love it. That's a good first key ring that we've got in this box. And this was 1,320 yen. Oh yeah, the collection is the Pokemon Cafe Mix collection. Ooh, I'm really happy with that. Oh, cute. This one is the Galarian version of Morpeko. Is that how you pronounce the name? I'm sorry if I've mispronounced it, But we have the Galarian version, which is like super angry. Yeah, it's really sweet, and it is another keyring, so really easy to display and use. This isn't part of a collection, I don't think, but it was 1,210 yen. This is from the Ditto range, which is adorable on its own. It's a really cute range. It's Pokemon in the style of Ditto, and this is Executor. I can never pronounce it properly. Oh my god, this is such a silly looking Pokemon, and it's just made even cuter by the fact it's in Ditto form. I love that. I think that's really sweet. That was 1,320 yen. I'll show you the label because that is a really sweet label. Right, so we've got the last item, and it's another Galarian Ponyta. I love it. I love it so much. I was really hoping I would get at least one Galarian Ponyta in this box. I watched so many Pokemon Center Lucky Box unboxings this year, and so many people got Galarian Ponyta. I was hoping for at least one item of it, and I got two, so I'm really happy. So this is another keyring, or mascot plush, as I think they're called that, and it's just really sweet. It's in the same like mochi material as the original Ponyta plush I got, so it's really super soft and squishy and just so nice to touch. It's really comfy. The label is adorable as always. Really sweet, and this was 1,320 yen. It looks like this was from the Hello Ponyta collection, which I vaguely remember. Right, so that is the 2021 Pokemon Center Lucky Box done. I am so insanely impressed with how much I got. I'll put the total amount of items I got on the screen, but there is a lot, and the majority of them are plushies, which one I love, but two I have no room for. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry if I was a little bit overexcited. It does happen. Please let me know what your favourite item was that I got in this box, or if you yourself have managed to get a lucky bag this year. I would love to know which one you managed to get. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day wherever you are and whatever you are doing, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys.